Regulatory affairs is no longer just about documentation and compliance. It's about smart automation, intelligent authoring, and strategic insights, powered by artificial intelligence. Royad's AI in Regulatory Affairs online certification course is built to equip regulatory professionals with deep functional knowledge of AI tools, real-world simulations, and job-ready applications. This isn't just theory. You'll explore real-world use cases, from AI-powered CMC writing, to automating submissions, managing CCDS with NLP, and tracking global regulatory intelligence using machine learning. This course is designed for regulatory affairs professionals, pharmacovigilance associates, medical writers, and pharma tech leaders. This course empowers you to lead the digital transformation in compliance workflows. Course is designed into various interactive modules. Module 1, Introduction to AI, NLP, RPA, and Machine Learning in Regulatory Affairs. Gain foundational knowledge of AI technologies and their strategic role across the regulatory lifecycle. Module 2, AI in CMC Writing and Structured Authoring. Learn how AI tools enhance the accuracy, speed, and consistency of regulatory CMC document authoring. Module 3, NLP in CCDS and Labeling Management. Discover how natural language processing streamlines CCDS updates, global labeling, and compliance alignment. Module 4, Robotic Process Automation for Submission Workflows. Explore how RPA automates repetitive regulatory tasks, from dossier tracking to submission management. Module 5, Machine Learning for Regulatory Intelligence and Gap Analysis. Use ML models to predict risks, monitor regulation changes, and perform automated gap assessments. Module 6, AI in Pharmacovigilance and Signal Detection. Implement AI to automate adverse event reporting, signal prioritization, and safety data evaluation. Module 7, Ethical, Regulatory and Compliance Considerations for AI Adoption. Understand global compliance challenges, validation strategies, and regulatory expectations for AI integration. Whether you're a regulatory associate, medical writer, quality manager, or data scientist entering healthcare, this course positions you as a future-ready regulatory expert. Upon completion, receive a globally recognized, e-verifiable certificate from Royad Training, a mark of excellence in AI-driven regulatory knowledge. Enroll now in the AI in Regulatory Affairs online certification course, only on Royad Training.